Hey there, woodworking enthusiasts. Today I've got something really exciting to show you. If you're serious about your woodworking projects, then you're going to love this 2-in-1 drilling positioning ruler combination angle ruler. This shaped ruler is a game changer when it comes to cabinet hardware installation and drawer installation. The best part about this ruler is its versatility. Made from durable and lightweight aluminum alloy, this ruler is a must-have for anyone serious about woodworking. Whether you're a professional carpenter or just love working with wood in your spare time, this ruler will make your life so much easier. With precise measurements and drilling positioning, you can say goodbye to guesswork and uneven installations. This ruler is designed to make your projects more efficient and precise, saving you time and frustration. But the real magic happens when you realize this ruler does double duty as a combination angle ruler. It's like having two tools in one. You can easily measure and mark angles, making complex woodworking projects a breeze. So, why should you invest in this 2-in-1 drilling positioning ruler? Well, it's simple. This ruler will take your woodworking to the next level. Imagine the satisfaction of flawless installations and perfectly angled cuts. And the best part? It's available at an unbeatable price. If you're ready to take your woodworking game up a notch, then I urge you to click the link in the description and get your hands on this game-changing ruler today. Don't settle for mediocre results when you could have precision and efficiency at your fingertips. Trust me, this ruler will become your go-to tool for all your woodworking projects. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link and take your woodworking skills to a whole new level. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more woodworking tips and tool recommendations. Happy woodworking!